Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, these questions I'm writing down, please pardon me, I'm going to cast it on the screen after now. Now the question is, it says a car is pulled along a slope with a constant force or by a constant force of 5,000 Newton. Now, remember, I told you earlier, in the previous class, that force is what? Or work done is what? Force times distance. So, when they say the force is 5,000, don't forget, force is 5,000 Newton. And they said at uniform speed. Now, the previous class, there was nothing like speed. So, just force and distance. But in this other one, they gave us force, they gave us speed, and they say the speed is equals to 60 meter per second. Okay, now they say if it takes the car 45 seconds to complete the journey, that is the time is equals to 45 seconds. Okay, 45 seconds. Just write it in short form. Okay, so now they say if it takes the car 45 seconds to complete the journey, how much work is done in moving the car to the slope or to the top of the slope? So now they gave us force, they gave us speed, they gave us time, and no distance. Don't forget, they say we should look for work done. How much work done? It's known. It's unknown. Now, remember, work done is equals to force times distance. Whereby you don't have a distance, you have speed and you have time. Through that method, through these two data, you can get your distance. So we say distance is equals to unknown, right? So we say solution. Remember, distance has a formula. Almost all these vector, scalar, all these quantities, they all have formulas which you can use to derive one another or to get one another. So say distance is equals to, are you following up? Speed times time. Just the same thing, speed is equals to distance all over time. Distance is equals to speed times time, and time is equals to speed times distance. Okay, good. So the next thing to do, since you say the distance is equal to speed times time, and note that without the distance, we can't get the work done. We have force, without a distance, we can't get the work done. Whereby you have the speed and the time, just multiply them together, it will give you this distance. Then you can use the distance to do your calculations. Okay, so the distance here is equals to, the speed is 60, don't forget, 60 times 45 seconds, which is equals to, if you use a calculator on this thing, the answer gives you 270 meter. Now you can finish solving whatever you are solving, and at the end you forget to put the unit, forget to put the SI unit or one thing or the other. The lecturer or the person that is marking your script can end up giving you fail. Meanwhile, your answer was correct. So what failed you in that question? It's all about the what? The unit. So here we have what? 270 meter to be the what? The distance. Okay? So here I will now say if the distance is now 270, we say work is equals to force times distance, right? So work done is equals to, the force is what? 5,000 times the distance is what? 270. So if you check your calculator, you are going to get something like this. Work is equals to 1,350,000, right? 1,350,000. Now, how did I get it? There's what we call long multiplication. I've already done it. We are looking at it. 0 times all these things. 0, 0, 0, 0 gives us all these 0. 7 times all of them. Maybe in the next class I will break all these things down for you. Okay, so our work done now is 1,350,000. Now there's what we call standard form. It's not going to be very elongated. Just cut it short with what we call standard form by saying equals to work done is equals to 1.35 times 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 raised to the power 6 Newton meter, or you can say joule. Newton meter or joule. That's the answer. Okay, thank you very much. Hope to see you next class.